Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara, and I am back with another try-on haul, pajama try-on haul, because y'all love the pajamas. Yeah, and today is also a good day because I just got off of a job interview. And I got the job, y'all. Yay! But it's gonna be a job working around people. Okay, I can do that. I'm good with people. I'm good with y'all. Y'all love me. Y'all love my personality. So you think other people will too. Yeah, but it's cool. Independent contractor, cool. Like, cool. I'm good with that. Like, piece of cake. Because it's not like, I don't have like, I just have zero, my bad. I just have like zero income coming in. No, I got some dollars coming in, but still need a little 9 to 5 or whatever. But yeah, I am so excited, to be back out there, to show my lovely face in the world and all that stuff like that. Yeah. But anyway, y'all, okay, so this first piece I have on is one of the second designs that I ever got made in bulk, and it's called Pool. That's all. It's called Pool, and it's giving nostalgia. It's giving house party. It's giving house party 1 and 2. House party. Yeah, it's giving that. It got the butt flap at the bottom. Yeah. I actually did remake this design right here, but I made it like with a pool table and the balls are kind of like spread it out. I should have made it more like this one where the balls are all together and stuff. But yeah, I do have another design. It's short sleeve, but the design has like an actual pool table on it. And it's like a updated design, but I only got one available, y'all. So this style right here is no longer available though. This is my personal one, and I look cute in it. I look cute and I look slim. Alright, so I am back with another one. I was gonna say, y'all lucky I did this video this week because I am trying to stay on routine. So yeah, y'all lucky I did it. The only reason why I did it because I unraveled my hair. I had to do the job interview. I'm like, let me do these videos real quick while I'm already got my hair out and all that stuff. Why not? Okay. All right, this one. So if y'all seen this before, you'll have to go all the way back into like my very first try-on haul, like when I did the pajamas. If y'all think y'all seen this before, you kind of have. This is the Martin design, but a different version. Now the version that y'all probably saw was the zoomed in photos where you couldn't really hardly see all of the characters. But this version right here that I'm wearing is the zoomed out version where you can see all the characters very clear. That's Cole, Martin, Pam, Gina right here in the middle, Tommy, I forget what this character was. Who he played, Jerome right here, but the police officer he played, or security guard that he played, and the little karate dude he played, I forget the character name. But anyway, if you watch Martin, you know. Did I forget somebody? Oh, Shanae, and yeah, so this is the zoom out version, y'all. The zoom out version, so you can see all the characters. The version that you did see was the version where it was zoomed in and you couldn't see all the characters. You couldn't see Pam, you couldn't see Tommy. Okay, But yeah, I am sold out of this. Definitely sold out. But yeah. But if you want this made, I can you can get it made in a jumpsuit version. Long sleeve, zipper, long pants. So yeah, you can get this design made in jumpsuit if you want this. But I have no more onesies. Yeah. No butt flip. Just butt. All right, y'all. I gotta get ready to place a bid on something on eBay real quickly. It's at 99 cents right now. Ain't nobody else bidding on it. So that's perfect. No watchers or nothing. I gotta go. All right, y'all. I am back. So I won the bid that I put in on eBay. Yeah, this is my first time ever putting a bid in on eBay. Let's just say it's something that I can profit off of. I can make more money with. And I paid little to nothing for it. Yeah, those are the licks I be looking for. But anyway, so the last one we got for this video today is Fresh Prince. Of course, it's obvious or whatever. So this is the same thing. The version that you may have seen was the version that was the images were more zoomed in. Yeah, zoomed in where you couldn't hardly see the characters. This one is zoomed out where you can see all the characters. Cause you couldn't see shoot, I forgot what the mother name was. Yeah, but the mother, she was cut out, and Uncle Phil was cut out a little bit, you couldn't see him. But you got Hillary, you got Will, Carson, Jeffrey, Ashley, and what's his name? Shoot, I forget the friend name. Jazzy, yeah, Jazzy. Okay, yeah. Why I forget the mama name? It'll come to me later. Yeah. So yeah, same thing, no butt flap. No butt flap, just butt. And I do have a few more of these left on the website, nostreetboutique.com. It will be located in the description. And yeah, I got one small, one medium, and one 2XL. So yeah. And it's on sale for $14.99. So yeah, original price was $40 for this. But yeah, it's not restocking though. If you do want this design, you can also get it made in a jumpsuit version on the website. Yep. You can get this exact same design, but in a jumpsuit style. It'll look probably even better. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you know exactly when I drop a new video. And if you made it all the way towards the end of this video, drop a heart. Y'all not dropping enough purple hearts. And y'all not watching this video all the way through. Because when I upload a video, like 5 minutes in the video, y'all already commenting. Y'all ain't watched the video. Yeah, so like I was saying, y'all ain't watching the video for real. How the video gonna be 15 minutes long? I post around 2:30 and you posting around 2:40. The video end at 2:45. The video was posted at 2:30 and you coming at 2:40. That means you got 5 more minutes left. You didn't watch the whole video. You just showing out, trying to comment, whatever. Fine, y'all can comment or whatever, but make sure you watch the whole video. Don't be putting on. I appreciate y'all comments and or whatever. I'll try to keep smiling for you because I know you love the smile. I love your smile. I really do. Okay, yeah, so that is it for this video. Next video will be in 2 weeks from now. Yeah, but today was a good day. I didn't really have too many of those. Today was a really good day, like Ice Cube and nostalgia. It's giving nostalgia and everything or whatever. But yeah, make sure y'all like, share, make sure y'all share, because YouTube is not pushing my content like they used to. It is what it is. I got other channels as well. I got a nostalgia channel because I love throwback, anything throwback. I also have a gaming channel that I only posted 4 videos on. I'm recording my gameplay, but I'm not really posting the video. So that's 3 YouTube channels. Like that gaming, I gotta catch up on. But my nostalgia channel, oh, I'm posting like that. But yeah, all right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. I might need to retire this hairstyle. I might need to go back to my buns and I hope my lashes are not all over the place, you know. All right, y'all.